Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In the previous video, we have discussed how to add radio buttons to an Android view statically. In this video, we will learn how to add these radio buttons dynamically. So without any further delay, let's jump in and get started. Before that, please subscribe to TechSparks if you haven't already. Let me briefly first give you the recap of what we have done previously. In the previous video, what we have done is we have added a couple of radio buttons statically, and then on click of submit button, we are posting the message of whatever button it has been selected. Now I will remove the statically added radio buttons, and we only have the submit button over there. So now I'll create a string array of 3 radio button text which I wanted to show, which will be like this. And then first I will remove any groups already available, and for I equals to 0, I less than my array dot length I plus plus. Now I'll create a radio button that equals to new radio button of this context. Radio button dot set text equals to ARR of I. I'll give an ID also. Set ID view dot generated view ID, and now I'll add this radio button to my group. Let's add view, I think. Yep. That's all. This is how simply we can add radio buttons dynamically. Let me run and show the output. There is no text being showed since I didn't give any text. Forgot, sorry for the mistake. First to male equals to female, male of to none of the above. Now the changes should reflect. As you can see, male, female, and none of the above. On click, you can see the toast message. On submit also, you can see it. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.